My big toe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Are you okay, Joe?
No, I hurt my big toe.
Maybe you should go to the hospital.
That's a good idea. I'll do my deliveries to the hospital.
That's good, Joe. Today you will be delivering medicine, a blanket and a wheelchair to the hospital.
Great. Let's go. So this is the hospital.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'm the radiologist.
I've hurt my big toe.
We're gonna have to take an X-ray of that.
What happened to your head? Ew.
That's a serious toe situation. He's gonna need medicine. But we don't have any. We're waiting on a delivery.
Medicine? My first delivery! Wait, here!
Shoe here. Don't forget your shoe.
Medicine.
That's not medicine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes!
Not!
Yes!
That's lemonade.
I know just what to do.
What?
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Dizzy.
Wow.
Hopefully this medicine will help my foot.
It's time for your X-ray.
Will it hurt?
No.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
Joe.
Joe, that chair's for children. Oh. We need to get you a blanket.
A blanket? My next delivery. Wait, here. Blankets.
All you had.
No! It's mine!
Looks like you're gonna need a wheelchair.
A wheelchair?
Yeah.
My third delivery. Wait here.
You can walk.
Good news, Joe. Look, your x-ray's back and your toe's not broken.
Joe. Not walking.
Thank you, Archie. I've had a great day, but now it's time to go.